Hi, this is Kevin Cook, the heavy equipment guy here at Star Tractor. Got a Komatsu PC210. Great machine. You need to rent something like this, give us a holler at 817-733-3799, and we have it listed also for sale. So let me do a walkthrough with you on this baby. Good looking machine. Got a coupler there. If you need something like this, give me a holler at 817-733-3799. Good looking. Very nice. Rear camera right there, as you see. Good sized dirt bucket right there. Like I said, give us a call at 817-733-3799. And our office number or website right here. Thank you, and God bless.